So after formatting a PC, one of the noticeable changes you get to see is you don't have the sleep option in this, the power options. You don't have the sleep options. Okay. For most Windows PCs, once the system is formatted, you don't get to see the sleep options. These are one of the things you get to know that, oh, the system is being, it's just formatted, recently formatted. Then for your VGA driver, when you get to check for the details, properties, then you see that the driver details is outdated, like, because you just formatted it. So that place highlighted was it's 2006. So, and there's so much drivers missing. You can see those one with the yellow marks, yellow warning marks. Then at the bottom right corner, you see your speaker also. Speaker icon is being crossed. That means there's no sound. There's no sound driver on the PC yet. And also for your display, your screen resolution, you see that your brightness is not your screen's brightness is not like it's not responding. Like you get to reduce and increase it, it's not responding. Then that's also because there are so many drivers that are not installed on the PC. Then for fixing this, one of the commonly used options is um, getting to update your Windows. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section below. We can learn from each other. Let's make it interacting. This step is very easy. Doesn't doesn't require you to have so many technical know-how to be able to update or install drivers on your newly formatted PC. But the disadvantage about this, not really a disadvantage. The thing about this is that most of your drivers or some of your drivers are not up to date. They're not up to date. They're not up to date with what the manufacturer the only reason why I don't rely so much on Windows updates is because the drivers it gets to install on your PC, they're not up to date with what the manufacturer has for the model of your PC. So our next step would be knowing how to get an updated driver for your PC. So you have to get the model by checking system information and or using your Windows key and R key. Then in this box you fill in the xdiag, and from this you can get your PC model, which is for this system it's HP ProBook 440G7. Then with these details you have already, you go to your browser and just type in HP ProBook 440G7 driver. Also having it in mind that these steps works for both Windows 7, Windows Yeah, Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. So it has already picked that the operating system for this system is Windows 11. But if it doesn't in your case, you can go to this option and select your Windows, if it's Windows 10 or Windows 11. Then you scroll down and manually pick the driver you want to install on your PC. For this video, I'll only be emphasizing on um, the graphics driver, which is responsible for display, graphics driver, and audio driver. So if you check this, the Windows update we were doing already updated the audio driver. You check the bottom right corner of this video, you see the speaker. The cross sign showing on the speaker is no longer there. So download your graphics driver. Then your audio driver. So for this PC, for this model, after doing Windows update, the graphics driver that Windows was able to provide for this PC was 2022. And for this video, as we are manually installing the video driver, we get to see, after installing, we get to see what year version of the driver was installed. So I've installed the graphics and audio. So let's check the graphics. Using the graphics as a case study, right click on UHD graphics, then go to properties and driver. You can see in the video that is 2023. So this is more updated than what Windows get to provide. And after that, you restart your PC. After that process, and after that, you get to check you can see the brightness now. You can adjust, you can increase and reduce the brightness, which is entirely different from what we had from the beginning of this video. And also, the sleep option is already there. That's because the graphics is installed.